Hi everyone, welcome to my main work. So in this main work, I'll be recapping about the 5 weeks that I've learned so far in the business group since I joined in like the 7th week, I believe. Alright, so for the first week, I learned about the fundamentals of the group. This meant that I learned about what the group was doing and like had to catch up a lot. For example, the first week we learned about lean, which includes the inventory, transport, the motions, the defects, the overprocessing, overproducing, and the delays, in which the supporting areas were like the budgeting, startup, connectivity, and the customer's value and time, and time management. So this was the week that I had to catch up because I just joined the group and learned about the fundamentals of the group, such as each member having to have like a business that we can manage. For the second week, I learned about modes, which includes the speed, the assets, the beliefs, as well as the edges, like what do they have that, what does a company have that others don't, and the customer values, as in would they miss us if we disappear. So those were the modes that I learned about, and in the second week, I also had the chance to form the idea of digital design as my fundamental business. In the third week, I learned about strengthening my business model. This included understanding the core mechanics of my business model and then strengthen it by improving weak points using the modes and the lean strategies that I learned from the second and first week. Next, I learned about the feedback that a customer can make that affects the company, as well as an overview on the rules of purchasing. Well, in this week, I'm almost done with my business report, and I'm trying to catch up, and I've actually caught up a lot with the group. And lastly, for last week, I learned about the total cost of ownership, in which we also had the value chains and supporting areas, such as the small part for the value of purchasing. Now, for the whole 5 weeks, I think that it was productive and it had me understanding. However, there's still a lot for me to catch up, and currently so far, I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed because there's a lot to like manage in this group, because from the actuary group there was actually a lot less to manage. However, in this group, it's giving me like a new vibe, a new working style, a new working environment, and basically like a new place for me to like develop. So that's my summary of all of the weeks that I've been. I'm not counting the ones that I missed out on because those don't count. And this is all. Bye bye.